Hello friends, in this video I want to talk about user-defined template processors. Please stay with me. Consider this example with the result. The result is, perhaps, a surprise. Where is the interpolation of omid and 36 into the text my name is and my age is? One of the goals of template expressions is to provide secure string composition. Instead, the toString method renders the two useful parts of a string template. The text fragments, my name is and my age. And the values, omid and 36. The string template class exposes these parts. String template fragments, which returns a list of the text fragments coming before and after the embedded expressions in the string template or text block template. String template values returns a list of the values produced by evaluating the embedded expressions in the order they appear in the source code. With using fragments and values methods, we can easily create an interpolating template processor by passing a lambda expression to the static factory method string template processor of. In this example, we made this interpolating template processor more efficient by building up its result from fragments and values, taking advantage of the fact that every template represents an alternating sequence of fragments and values.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, likes and share this video for friends. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy.